You want to see the vlog? Okay, you can see the vlog. Do you want to tell them what happened this morning? What happened with the doggies? Good morning, guys. It's been an eventful morning. Basically, I had food poisoning all weekend, like a mild case, but still very uncomfortable. Woke up this morning, I had a really bad headache, and then I look out the back window and I see two big dogs and our like patio couch cushions destroyed. So that was just an awful way to start this Monday, but my husband went out there, thanks! Beckett went out there, and thank goodness the dogs were like nice and not scary, and he got them to go back in their yard and he like boarded up the fence. But he went over to the neighbor's house and they're not there, so they don't know what happened. And I kind of want them to like repair the fence themselves and, I don't know, reimburse us for having to get all new couch cushion covers. And their dog also like chewed on part of our wall and like removed a little paneling from it.
Go see Greg. Go see Greg.
What was I gonna say? I got some clips of like what it looked like, but it's like super windy today, so I didn't want to talk out there, so I will insert what it looks like. Sorry, Banks is being wild. But my husband's showering, so I'm on Banks duty with my headache. He's throwing Mr. Potato Head, and he has soccer practice later today, so we'll just see how this day goes.
Hi. Hi.
Banks also still has, is it on this side? Yeah. All this bruising from getting bit on the cheek, and then after that healed, he like slammed his cheek into a playground structure and bruised it even more. You poor baby. No. Look at your messy playroom. Messy playroom. He's really liking this toy lately. Where's the little fishing rod? I guess we lost the thing that goes with it, but it's like a magnetic fishing rod to pull these out, and then it has a little mat to match the colors or letters on it. It's really cute.
Back.
Oh, that's an ant.
That's it.
Ant, yes.
Back.
Yeah.
That book. That's it.
Ant.
Back.
Hi guys, it is quite a few days later. Like, I told you guys I had food poisoning. It did not stop. It just kept going for a few days, and then my headache just turned into a migraine that would not go away. I had the headache for probably like 4 days straight, and nothing that I would do would make it go away. So I had to just stop doing all sorts of stuff. I couldn't do anything for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, nothing. We also skipped Banks' soccer practice last week because I just could not go. So now I'm trying to get back in the groove of like doing all my skincare and taking care of myself. So let's do that. I also have a little update for like what happened with the dogs. Basically, I wrote a note for my husband to drop off on their door, but I don't know, he gets nervous to like be confrontational with people, and I get it too, because you just never know what type of people you're gonna be dealing with. So he didn't really want to drop it off, and I think he kind of stalled, and then they ended up being home. So he talked to them, but he didn't straight up ask them to like pay to reimburse for our cushions or anything. He just explained what happened, and the neighbor was like, oh, okay, yeah, I'll try to reinforce the fence better. And that was that. So we're gonna have to pay to do the cushions on our own. And that's fine, I just don't know how much it's gonna be, which is kind of annoying since we just replaced all of the inside cushion parts. They only tore up like 1.5 of the cushion covers, but I don't know how you just buy one new cushion cover for a set. I feel like we're gonna have to get a whole new set, so that'll be fun. So it's Monday again. I don't know if I already said that. We're gonna take Banks to his soccer practice today. He missed last week, and last week they were supposed to get their jerseys handed out to them, so I'm excited to see his little jersey. I think it's actually just a t-shirt with their name on it and a number, but it'll still be cute. And the number we picked for him was number 49, because for some reason he likes that number. Every time we take his temperature, I'll say, oh, normal, and then he goes 49. And I'm like, sure, I guess our temperature is 49. So he just likes that number, so I thought that's the perfect number to choose for him. So it's gonna be cute seeing him run around with the number 49 on. That is if he actually participates. The first week we went, it was awful and gave me a lot of anxiety, because he didn't want to do anything. He just wanted to run away. And I'm kind of dreading going later, but I'm hoping he just does better today. And sorry if I'm like talking super fast. I'm trying to like rush and get ready, and I have tons of videos I need to film for work stuff while Beckett is out with Banks grocery shopping, and I just gotta like hustle and get stuff done. Oh yeah, I could also update you guys. Last week while I was feeling super sick, I had an appointment with the infectious disease doctor to like see why I was getting strep throat so much, and they ran tons of tests on me, and I officially don't have strep at all. I don't have it in a titer or anything with my blood work, and I don't carry it. So hopefully I don't get it for a really long time. Oh, and then also I was talking about how Banks had like tons of ear infections and he was probably gonna have to get tubes in his ears. I think he still has to get tubes in his ears, but his most recent ear infection went away on its own, so that was really good. So I'm hoping he doesn't get another ear infection until his appointment, because he can't see the ENT until August. They're that booked up. So hopefully he stays nice and healthy. I think I'm actually just gonna keep my hair in a claw clip. That's just like my go-to summer hairstyle because it keeps all my hair out of my face and it doesn't hurt my head. If I like slick my hair back and do a tight ponytail, it hurts my head and I get a headache, and I don't like that feeling. I could only do that for like special occasions or if I really want a sleek look, but going for soccer mom, I can be a little messy hair. That's fine. And lately for makeup, I've just been doing eyebrows and what is this? Glow Screen. It's like a tinted moisturizer. And I feel like that's been enough. I don't like wearing a lot of makeup in the summer, so I'm gonna do that. This is the e.l.f. Brow Lift, and it's like my favorite eyebrow product. It's the only thing I'll use now. This is good if you like the look of like your hair going straight up. I know some people don't like that look, but I like it, and I need it for my eyebrow tails because they like to like curl up, so I have to glue them down. I'm trying to think if I have any other little life updates to give you guys. We're gonna be watching my baby brother in a couple days. He's gonna have a sleepover here with Banks, so that'll be fun, but also really stressful because it's gonna be like having two under two. I mean, Banks just turned 2, but pretty much 2 under 2. And I've never watched 2 kids at the same time, so it'll be interesting. This, you can put it on your hands and like rub it in, but I don't like how that feels on my fingers, so I like to use a brush. And sometimes I'll put concealer on under my eyes because I don't like my under eye veins, as you guys know, but I'm trying to be less self-conscious about them lately because I need to get that procedure done at some point because I do want it done, but we're kind of like on a budget right now and I don't want to spend the money quite yet. So I need to just embrace my body and how I was born. I have these veins, is what it is. I've also finally started wearing chapstick again. When I had strep throat, I wasn't using it because I didn't want to like get them infected. Like I'd have to throw them away after every time I was done with the antibiotics. I didn't want to waste them. So now that I'm strep free, I'm using this all the time. Okay, I need to get dressed and do some work. I'm getting work emails as I'm filming this and I'm stressed out. So I'm gonna go do some of that stuff and I'll catch up with you guys before soccer. And let's hope that it goes well. Don't mind the mess, but here's the OOTD. I've been wanting shorts like this for so long that do the crisscross buttons. So I got these from Princess Polly and I'm obsessed. And my hair's already a mess, so I'm probably gonna fix that. Okay, I finished a couple things, so I thought I'd show you guys a little behind the scenes of how I film some things for brands because I just got some edits back and I need to do them. Let me know if you guys like seeing that type of stuff. Before I started content creating, I always liked seeing behind the scenes stuff from other creators, so I thought I would try that out. I'm filming an ad for Teneco. It's like a vacuum mop company and it's really cool. I've always wanted one, so it's been really cool to be able to make a video for them, but they want a specific angle and I didn't give that to them, so they want me to refilm it, so I need to make a little cleaning solution. And it's super easy. You just put a little bit in here and fill it with water and then you just vacuum over it and it cleans it. It's really simple. And I understand why these things are so expensive because they just do such a good job. Okay, I've got all these pieces because I filmed this video a few days ago and I like deep cleaned all the parts after. So I gotta put it back together. Now I gotta go make a mess. Basically, I'm showing how it's like a wet, dry vacuum, and I filmed vacuuming Cheerio crumbs along the edge of a wall, and they said they want it to be liquid, so we're gonna go with ketchup. I'm gonna open up the windows so I get the best lighting. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, Banks is like done with the high chair, so I need to put that away, and I'm kind of emotional about it. Okay, I guess we're just gonna splatter this all along here. Hopefully that's enough. I don't know. That should hopefully be enough. Gonna go grab the mop. Okay, got that clip, and now I really want to wash this because it smells like ketchup.
Charging has commenced. Auto detecting whether to run self-cleaning cycle. Please clean dirty water tank.
I want it to self-clean, but it says it doesn't need to. Ew. It's just ketchup liquid in there.
Start self-cleaning.
Look how disgusting that is. Are you guys ready to see how disgusting this is? Gross. We got an Amazon package, so I thought I'd show you guys what I got. This I'm so excited for. I got influenced. I saw somebody post about this on Instagram Reels, I think. And it's like a nightlight thing. You can see it here with a sticky pad here to attract all the little like gnats and flies and stuff in your house. And after Banks' birthday party, we had tons of flowers in the house and we got so many gnats from them. So I'm hoping this will get rid of all of them. Next, I got some books for Banks. I'm still waiting on one more to come, but they're cute, like books about the potty. I said I wasn't gonna talk about potty training Banks on the internet because it's just not anybody's business. And I'm not gonna give like details and stuff about it. But I will share that whenever we weaned him from the Binky, we liked to read like Bye Bye Binky books and stuff before, and I feel like that really helped because he just like had the ideas in his head about what was going to be happening. So I searched a long time on Amazon and found books with really good reviews of people saying that it helped their kids and like helped prepare them. So these are the ones I picked out. The other one I have coming, I think it's called Pooposaurus. It's like a dinosaur one, so he'll like that. This one's I'm a Potty Superhero. The reviews on this one said that it's good to show kids like mistakes happen and it's okay. And this one's Everybody Potties. And this one gives a step-by-step of like the feeling you'll feel when you go, how you ask for help, and all of that. And then the Pooposaurus one might have just been funny dinosaurs that poop, I don't know, but it had really good reviews too. We're on our way to soccer, wish us luck. Are you excited to play soccer today? Yeah? He doesn't say yes, he goes,